What is UX design?
UX design or user experience design is all about creating products, services, or systems that are easy to use, enjoyable, and valuable for people. The user experience refers to how someone feels when interacting with a product, whether it's a website, an app, or even a physical device. Think of it this way. Have you ever used an app that felt frustrating because it was hard to navigate? Or maybe a website that was so intuitive you instantly knew what to do? That's where UX design comes in to make sure users have a seamless and positive experience.